In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Systeme.io in 2025. This process is straightforward and ensures that your digital offerings reach your customers seamlessly. Let's dive in and walk through each essential step together. First, start by accessing your Systeme.io dashboard. This central hub is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll need to log in by entering your registered email and password. It's as simple as that. Then click on sign in and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard ready to begin setting up your digital product for sale. Our next step involves sending your digital product as an email attachment, ensuring that when your customers make a purchase, they receive their product directly in their inbox. You'll begin this process in your sales funnel. Find and click on your payment page, which is the key location for configuring your offers. Now you'll want to choose the type of offer you plan to provide, which in this case is a digital product. After selecting digital product, a prompt will appear for you to create a new digital product. Go ahead and click on Create Digital Product. A new window will open, allowing you to enter the details of your new creation. At this point, naming your digital product is crucial. In the field labeled Digital Product Name, enter a title that clearly represents what you're offering. This not only helps keep your offerings organized, but also ensures your customers know exactly what they're purchasing. Once your product is named, it's time to add resources to your offer. Click on the plus icon, which will guide you to select resources for your product. Here, choose tags, an essential component that aids in categorizing and personalizing your offer for your audience. Don't forget to click save to ensure all the resources and details you've added are securely stored. There's nothing worse than losing progress. Next up, it's time to create some automation magic. You'll set up an automation rule that triggers when a new sale is made. This ensures an email is dispatched automatically whenever a customer makes a purchase. Click on Add an Action and select Send Email. This action sets the stage for your product delivery. Then simply click on the plus sign, which lets you craft the email your customers will receive. Remember, this email will be their first impression of your service post-purchase, so make it friendly and clear. Add your digital product as an attachment to this email. This step is vital for ensuring your customers receive what they paid for without a hitch. Finally, hit Save Rule to lock in all your settings. And that's it, you've now automated the process of selling and delivering digital products on Systeme.io. With these steps, your business is set up for efficient and successful digital sales. Thank you for joining me today and happy selling.